welcome back to the vlog. I'm doing the total bro move by not washing the Subaru since we went off-roading, but I'm headed over to EJ's Auto right now to hopefully diagnose what's going wrong with the car and just assess the damage after off-roading. I think I torched my clutch and I ruined it and I need another. Rob thinks that there is a boost leak somewhere in the car, so I'm gonna find that out today. When I have someone else in the car with me to help film, I'll show you guys what's going on with the car. Whatever. I was so disheartened by it yesterday because all I really wanted was the Subi to run for more than a day or at least a week without braking. But that's cars. F it, send it. Drive, brake, build, repeat. Life's too short. My car looks so good, dirty. I don't want to clean it. The thing's like, do you want a car wash? Nope. And we are here at BJ's Auto. I brought you cookies.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. That was good. You got scared.
Yeah.
This thing's sick. I'm gonna show Jesse what happens with the car and he's gonna film it so you guys can see too. So I happen to have about 4.5K and like 0.04. I don't know if it's related.
Okay.
You're kidding me.
Nothing
I
happened.
drove all this way and now it fixed itself. It was happening this morning. You're kidding me. Try this one more time.
Do it again. I don't see anything wrong.
Oh my god.
Smell like clutch though.
Yeah. That's weird. I'm gonna try it a couple more times. You know, like when you're in first gear and like if you're like not giving enough gas, it goes boom.
Yeah.
Boom. That's what it feels like.
Oh, okay.
What the f? Okay. I guess it fixed itself. I don't even remember if I filmed it happening yesterday. I think I was just so upset about it.
How many times did it happen to you?
Every time.
Every time?
Every time I'd get about 4.5K RPM or like 0.04. It was like doing this like violently.
Okay. So it's fixed.
I guess so.
Yay.
Easiest fix ever. We're gonna peek under the hood while I'm here, just make sure everything looks good. At least check like the boost couplers. Who knows? That's weird. So we put off the map and the guys are thinking that maybe that it was just wet and that's why. Okay.
You have the hiccup.
Should we see how the filter looks?
It's clean.
Yeah, it looks almost brand new.
Not too bad.
I love
Yeah.
it. Cool. So that makes sense. I was going through like mad puddles and it, like when it was building boost, it was just sucking in more air and the map was just tripping out. I didn't think of that. This is why I come to you guys. This is Jesse's brother, by the way.
Hi, my name is Helmer.
Helmer was saying I should get a snorkel.
Yeah.
That just goes up there on the side.
Yeah, it's better.
I didn't even think about that. The front end was like fully submerged a couple times. Hey, at least it's not the clutch. That would have been fun. Drop a trans today.
Yeah, well.
You're ready for
I
it?
do it every day, so that's just another day.
Oh, cool. I'm glad it was something simple and stupid. Thank you both for your help. I'll see you soon. I'll see you with a snorkel soon. It's funny, the thought didn't even cross my mind that it could have been the map sensor that got wet. I kept saying, you know, I hope it's just something stupid, and it was something even more stupid than a boost coupler, but I could have sworn I tried to resemble it this morning, but I think I was afraid of the car breaking down. Oh, we're good. I'm good. The car's staying dirty. I think because she's covered in mud, we can continue to call her poop turd, right?
Hello.
Hey, so my map sensor got wet, that was it. Because we're f***ing pummeling in the water.
Okay.
Yes, you know what that means?
Yeah, I do.
Gonna get me a snorkel.
Damn right. Well, tell you what, you better start aiming towards the middle of the f***ing puddles if you can get a snorkel.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get like a skid plate and everything. This is gonna be full f***ing rally.
Love it.
Cool. Some guy yelling poop turd at me on the freeway was the greatest thing ever. I've decided on the color for poop turd, mud. And that way we can continue to call her poop turd, because Assuming you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I've already bought my next drag build. And when I was at the NHRA Vet Finals in Pomona, I met Hannah in Hannah Drag Races, and I'm at her family shop right now. These are the sisters.
I'm Caitlin. I'm Megan.
You guys drag race too?
Yes.
God, that's so badass. And here's the infamous Hannah.
Hi, nice to meet y'all.
So you drag raced this on the fastest car on Netflix.
Yes, Fastest Car, episode 1, season 1.
That's badass.
Good times.
So what does this put down in a quarter mile? Or have you raced it in a quarter mile?
I have raced it in a 4 mile, but it was a no time.
Why is it a no time?
There was a no time, there was no times on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm still learning the lingo here. I was like, why is it no time?
No times, like they don't put the slip up.
Okay, what's horsepower? What would you project?
It's got a good amount of horsepower.
She's smirking. I bet it has like 1,000 or some shit. Does it?
I didn't say nothing.
I like her. That was a super cool shop and a super cool family. I hope we get to do some stuff in the future together. God, my lens is so f***ed right now from off-roading. That's 2 cameras in a week. Whoa, that was super weird. I just met up with Sean, and as I'm sitting here waiting, my car just started revving all the way f***ing up. I shut off the car at like 4K. Maybe the airflow sensor?
That's the throttle stuck?
No, let me try that again. You heard that, right?
Yeah, it definitely revved up.
It's idling high now.
It's idle, yeah. It sounds a little high.
It's starting to go up again.
Rev it a couple times.
I think I got a vacuum leak, dude.
Are you on right now?
No, I'm not. So that was one of the symptoms that was happening after I pulled Rob out. The car was idling at about $3 grand, and that's what it's doing right now. I'm going to guess mass airflow or idle air control or just a vacuum leak somewhere, but something's definitely up.
I counted about 12 missing hose clamps on the engine. You might want to clamp up, but that seems to me like a vacuum or idle air control, something's off. It's
Yeah.
like if its idle's going up that much, air has to be getting in the system in some way.
Yeah. So I guess we're on the same page about it at least.
Well, I think you should wash your car because you're that bro that goes and like hits one puddle and then drives around for like 3 weeks with blood all over it.
Dude, yeah.
I know you missed the brown and all, but I think it needs a bath.
It's like, but I can still call her poop turd now.
It will forever be poop turd. I mean, that's just is what it is. Yeah. There's no rip. I saw that last comment. There's no rip. Poop turd's still right here. In fact, poop turd's better than ever.
I want to fix this car. I think I'm just gonna take her home for now. Let's turn her over and see where she's idling. Now it's normal. And if I rev it,
Seems to be reacting okay.
the RPMs drop a little low, but aside from that,
Can you pop the hood? I want to take a look.
in car. We'll figure it out. I was contemplating washing her, but it's getting a little colder now. Well, I just played with it a little more. It's not consistent. Like, it's not happening now. So I think either a sensor is going or there's a, I don't know, vacuum leak, but something's definitely up and it's not being consistent. All right. My car just broke down. Poop turd is dead. I was driving her home. Actually, I was gonna go meet Troy. I was gonna get food first, and my brakes started going out on the way down the mountain. I was like, oh, this is weird. By going out, it wasn't like I lost, like there was air in the system or anything. I was like, they were hard as a rock. Like, the power steering was not existent, but I could still use the brakes. Ended up pulling into a parking lot. The idle started getting really high again. The radio started flashing on and off. I pulled in, some guy was backing out. I stopped, the car shut off. It won't turn on, there's no battery. I'm gonna check the battery cables right now, make sure everything's attached properly, but this isn't good, and I'm stuck in the middle of this parking lot. I'm gonna realistically probably call AAA because after all that happened, I don't know that it is safe to drive. I'm more concerned about the high idle, the 3K idle, than I am the loss of power, which explains the brakes. I'm texting the guys right now, and this is to Alex, Damon, Dave, and all of them. I was like, Alex, keep your gate open. My brakes are going out. Wait, they just came back. I'm getting food first. My car just broke down. So my ground came loose. I might have tools in the car. Yes! Thank God. I'm just too lazy to carry this upstairs. So I tightened this as much as I could. I might need to do the penny trick like Sean does. It's still loose. Hopefully enough to turn it over the car. Park her, I'll get something to eat, and then take her to Alex's. But we got noise. Definitely battery related. Perfect. So the battery makes sense for the brakes, the radio, but not the idle. I don't think so, at least. I'm trying to think of every possible solution in my head. I just need to get food. Okay, I had a thought. If it wasn't grounded properly, then the idle air control wasn't having the proper ground, therefore it was tripping out, and that's why the idle was high. We're just going with that. I'm gonna temporarily have to stick a penny in there, and then I'll, at a later date, get that fixed. But we'll see if it gets better from there. I'm glad it was something stupid. I'm really glad whenever it's something stupid. Good morning, you guys. This is a little bit different of a vlog than we're used to. This vlog has been over the course of a few days since I have been having issues with poop turd. But I will show you the fix. I think we are fixed and everything is safe. I'm here with Rebecca. You guys remember her from when she dropped me off to go get poop turd. You haven't seen how muddy she is yet. You ready?
Yeah, wow, she looks really good. What the heck did you paint her red?
No, wrong car.
That's dirty.
Yeah, look at that, it's so clean. So, do you mind holding that 2 seconds? And to show you guys my super professional fix, I charge by the hour. There's a little penny.
Nice.
That was the fix of all my problems.
Dang.
So it was fun while it lasted, but I think I need to wash this car. It's a little overdue.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. It's like, I keep telling people the neighbor's sprinklers were just a little too violent, but no one seems to believe me.
That sounds sexy.
Wait,
Whoa.
the metal grinding or the exhaust sound?
The exhaust sound, the metal grinding kind of startled me a little bit, but it's okay.
I was not anticipating that. Apparently that's a common Subaru issue. If you guys have that, will you please comment below and just let me know? Or know how I can fix it because I'm super OCD. Alright, I've noticed a little, oh, see they're starting to go up a little? When Alex has just a row of people waiting to get into his house. Oh yeah, surprise. So I'm washing my car at Alex's. I was like texting him, what are you doing tomorrow? I'm like, I'm gonna go to a quarter machine place and wash my car. He's like, well, I have that here. I was like, touche, I will save $1.25 and I'll come to your house. We have made it to the Choi Man Cave. That's what I call this place.
Solid.
She's like, cool. Sweet.
I don't know what that means, but it sounds provocative.
But I like it. So let's do a good little before of poop turd. Some of the primers come off. Rebecca's playing the drums. What's up? You can still see how dirty it is because the pressure washer got some parts but not others. Say hello to my little friend.
Whoa. Damn, one-handed.
Having a black car is the worst. Alright, she's back to black, looking clean and better than ever. Alex is trying to convince me to go wide f you body. So you think I should go wide f you body on the Subi?
Yeah, like wide bodies that are wider than your car.
Than Jesus himself?
You have like 2 car lengths wide.
So it's like a 4x4?
Wide body so wide that it's wider than the actual lane on the freeway.
I might take you up on that. You wanna drive this thing?
Right now?
Do you know how to drive stick?
Yes.
Well, by all means, go right ahead. Alex put a bunch of gunpowder there. He's gonna light it.
I'm scared.
Should I stand back?
I'm gonna stand there, but I'm gonna dream.
Oh. We're hungry. We're gonna go get some food over at Tender Greens. I brought you something. Good talk. They're super sour, so be careful.
No, I don't like sour.
I'm kidding. It's sweet. It's strawberry-filled cookie. He doesn't trust me. I wouldn't trust you either if you gave me something.
Like hot sauce in here, or like get revenge back at me for making me get internal bleeding.
You never know. Or lighting my shirt on fire, or, you know, the list goes on here. Alright, I got ahi tuna, seasonal vegetables, mashed potatoes. What is that?
Some potatoes mashed.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was referring to. And you got a salami sandwich?
Yeah, it's pure heaven.
Looks good. So I just found a place on Yelp called Mike's Alignment. They actually have a Hawkeye rack, so I'm going to have them do a quick alignment on poop turd and get back on the road. This guy's so funny. He's like, why do you want alignment? I was like, bro, I'm just not about that low life anymore.
So far, we start with the back. That's what you're looking at it.
Okay.
You got too much of a positive camber on the left rear, and the toe is okay. This toe is fine. We can adjust them, but the camber is way too much. It does not have a camber adjustment. This one has adjustment. We can go to mess with it and bring the camber to positive. I can try to see how much room we got to bring it outside.
So for the alignment, I'm gonna actually come back. The two things that really need to be adjusted, it's the toe in the front and the camber in the rear. I have a camber bolt for the back rear, so what needs to be adjusted is the driver's side rear. And that side, when I did the coilovers, never had the camber bolt. So the guy here actually advised, he's like, just go ahead and order the bolts, like you're okay. He's like, bring the bolt to buy out and fix it, everything is okay. I appreciate the honesty. Looking at the chart, it seems okay. I'm not gonna put a ton of abuse on the car. At least on the street where I gotta be worried about it. So we're good, that was easy. I got a few packages in the mail today and I was just gonna do a quick unboxing. I love that you guys are sending me stuff, honestly. Let's start with this guy first. Oh, this is a hefty duty shaker bottle. Amelia, on workout days, pre-post workout. Working on car days, beer water. That's amazing. I think I'm purely gonna use this for like half beer, half water. And if I put ice in the water, it'll keep the beer cold without watering that down. Ho ho! Thank you, Rob. And this guy. I hope you guys never send me animals. I'm kidding. Don't send me a live animal though, please. What? Yo! Who just went all out on the snacks? Hello Panda Candy. These are some serious shop snacks. This is awesome. What is this? This is a box of like JDM candy. I don't understand half of this, but this is awesome. Are these candy cigarettes? Beef jerky. Sour Patch Kids. I figured you need more food. That's it. And last but not ever least, bro, this is a box of seaweed. Yo, you guys, you are awesome, all of you. For sending me candy, for just watching this video, for sending me a beer water bottle, like, take a look. A day's supply of seaweed, a bunch of Hello Pandas, a gang of Sour Patch Kids, and a bunch of Japanese candies. This was very thoughtful, thank you. This is my dinner tonight, I hope you're aware. And some protein to go along with it. It's like a cross between a Cheerio and a churro. Alright guys, and with that, I am signing off. I got a lot to sample before I go to bed. I'm not gonna be able to fall asleep. I'm gonna be on a sugar high. And I'm okay with that. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! I was gonna say, when it comes to words, my tail, na na na, makes you yell, okay, no.